That's my area of expertise. That's my area of expertise. كلمة expertise تعني خبرة أو مجال التخصص في عمل ما. ردد معي: expertise expertise. وهذه الكلمة مشتقة من كلمة expert expert، وتعني خبير أو خبيرة في مجال معين. For example, she's an expert in family law. She's an expert in family law. هي خبيرة في قوانين الأسرة. ونلاحظ أيضا أن expert هو الاسم الوحيد الذي يمكن استخدام 3 أحرف جر بعده، وهذه الأحرف هي in أو on أو at، فكل منهما صحيح إذا تم استخدامه بعد الاسم expert. For example, he is an expert at or on or in teaching English. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. In a small village. In a small village. There was a little girl named Lily. There was a little girl named Lily. There was a little girl named Lily. She loved playing outside. She loved playing outside. While she was walking through the forest, while she was walking through the forest, she saw a beautiful bird. She saw a beautiful bird. But suddenly a storm began to blow. But suddenly a storm began to blow. A storm began to blow. The wind grew stronger and stronger. The wind grew stronger and stronger. She had to find shelter. She had to find shelter. She looked around. She looked around. She spotted a cave nearby. She spotted a cave nearby. Without hesitation, without hesitation, Lily grabbed her umbrella. Lily grabbed her umbrella. She ran back into the forest. She ran back into the forest to save the bird. To save the bird.